In the future, we will look back and see this Gear Up program as a profoundly important step in ending inequality. It was Congressman Fattah's idea. It wouldn't be here if it weren't for him.
All around our nation, I have visited with and met Gear Up students, Gear Up scholars, and I have seen so many of our alumni who are leading productive, successful lives. This is National Gear Up Week. I'm Shaka Fattah, and one of the proudest things that I've ever done was to introduce and pass the Gear Up legislation so many years ago, but now some 13 million young people throughout our nation, in each of our states and in our territories, are participating or have participated in this program. So during Gear Up Week, there's going to be an opportunity to communicate this great success story, a partnership between colleges and middle schools and high schools, a partnership with professional and community organizations, business leaders, in communities all across our land, in which we point young people in the direction of academic excellence, and by working together and raising aspirations and expectations, these young people are exceeding what could have ever been imagined about the level of success. So for future engineers and scientists, business leaders, lawyers, teachers, members of Congress, and for every manner of leaders that we're going to need to move our country forward and to keep America positioned as the #1 nation in the world. So the president says we have to lead the world, and college-educated adults, Gear Up is helping to move us in that direction. We know that we need a greater STEM-educated workforce. Gear Up is helping to create that opportunity. And I want to say thank you to INSEP for its nurturing and work with Gear Up over these many years now to make sure that each of the Gear Up programs and our state partners throughout the country have the very best practices. I look forward to welcoming you in Philadelphia for the Capacity Building Conference in February. We're going to be so excited to have you come to Philadelphia and have our region celebrate the Gear Up story. So thank you. Enjoy Gear Up Week, and I'll be with you every step of the way. Thank you very much.